Welcome to MTSS in Motion. In this series, we examine a multi-tiered system of support framework for meeting the needs of all learners. The topic for this segment is the power of Tier 1. Tier 1 is first best instruction, carefully selected to meet the academic, behavioral, and mental wellness needs of students. These universal supports for all students are evidence-based and chosen to meet the needs of the current student and staff population. Designing Tier 1 starts with asking, what do we want all students to learn, and how will we know if they've learned it? This question helps district and school teams develop a solid core curriculum. Tier 1 supports include everything from the textbook series, staffing ratios, the number of minutes for recess, the school calendar, and many more things. Everything is chosen for a reason, and the reason must be it is reasonably expected to meet the needs of our students. Tier 1 is effective when at least 80% of the students are meeting benchmark expectations for academic, behavioral, and mental wellness goals. To determine this, data is collected and analyzed in these areas 3 times a year. Some districts already have at least some of these assessments or data sources in place, but may be missing assessments in key areas such as mental wellness or written language, or at some grade levels. It's important that in reviewing data, district and school teams also consider the level of implementation fidelity of the core instruction. In other words, were those core supports actually being fully or correctly implemented? Tier 1 is where the majority of school resources are allocated on a daily basis. It is critical that when districts and schools determine that Tier 1 supports are not producing the desired outcome, the focus is on improving Tier 1. It may be that there is a mismatch between the supports and the needs of the student and staff population, or that the needs have changed. It may be that the core supports were not implemented with fidelity. It also may be that there are needs that require more universal support for the population as a whole. For example, the school may determine based on behavioral data that they have a universal support need for deliberate instruction in classroom routines. When less than 80% of students are meeting the expectations in this area, it makes sense to instruct all students in this area. Thank you for watching MTSS in Motion. For more information, please visit our website at iepta.org to get MTSS in motion for your district.